1,
2,
3, let's go!
Today we are going to be organizing my closet. It is pretty cramped right now. I'm not really sure how to do this or go about this. I don't know what I want. Let's just go through them one by one and see, I guess. I'm so confused. I have so many clothes. Holy crap. Why is this stressing me out?
You would have thought that I'd have learned this all by now. It seems that I am here again, some way, somehow. Every time.
Okay, all of the tops are sorted. So we are going to move the ones that I wouldn't wear to there. Keep the ones that I still would wear here. Let's go. Tops are here. Jackets are over here. I'm gonna remove the bottoms actually. Okay, thumbnail things.
It seems that I am here again, some way, somehow. Every time the same old thing comes back around. If you don't learn to swim, then you'll sink and then you'll drown.
Alright, so I have organized all the ones that I usually wear, kind of dividing them up. Dresses, I have all of my tops, sweaters, and then I have my cardigans, and then my jackets, my business blazers, and then lastly my Hogwarts sweater. We love to see it. So yeah, that is what I have so far. Right now I just want to do the bottoms. I want to separate the bottoms right now. Let's get it, I guess.
Maybe I'd rather not understand the things that I don't want as a man. I guess it's a lesson learned. If you play with fire, maybe you will burn. I guess it's a lesson learned.
Okay, it is now 15 minutes later. I think I have organized my pants and it's honestly really cute. This closet is looking really cute, but right now we have to deal with the extra closet space, which right now has my home clothes in. I'm gonna take out my home clothes first and then I'll put in my outside wear and then we'll organize my home clothes. We'll see what we can do with that. Let's go.
Is it my fault if I choose to ignore the things that you've told me once or twice before? Maybe I'd rather not understand.
Alright, so I'm really excited. I have organized this and this. It's not as pretty, and there's a reason why. Anyways, I'm so tired. Okay. I'm probably gonna move my home clothes into the drawers. So yeah, let's do that now, I guess. And we can move on to this if I want to. I probably won't because I'm really tired. Alright, so sort of a new plan. This second bottom drawer is actually filled with someone else's clothes. I can only fit my home clothes into this one. And I don't think that's possible. So I'm going to be shifting the jeans in here. I'll just put my shirts in here. Alright, that comes to the end of my closet organization skills. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video if you like it and subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you next time. And yeah. I'm so tired. I can't do an outro right now. Okay. Bye. Comment if you like my nails. They suck. New era. Just kidding. No. Okay, bye.